Right. Welcome to the next Nomad Sculpt game asset creation video series. We already created our gold bar, so let's move on. We're just going to take this off here so we can't see it. And then we're going to add back the reference image. And what are we going to focus on this time? Let's do the circular coin. So, cylinder, add it. All right. And we're going to do snap 45 degree and turn it this way left. We're going to make this a little bigger. Move it up like that's fine, and then enter. Okay. And then we're also going to make it smaller. Let's actually add another cylinder. Actually, no. Yes, add another cylinder. So 45 degree. Thin it out. We're gonna line it up right about here and make it this big. Then thin it out more, validate, and then take this right here and make this bigger. Oh, other way around, sorry. All right, we forgot whole, right, left, make this bigger, like that. That's what we're going for here. All right, and that's the outer casing, and then the inside is the coin part. All right, cool. All right, and then we're gonna make this little square thing. So then we just add a box and let's resize it. Oh, go back to back. Here you are. And then right here. That's good. Now let's center it. Oh, left. Oh, different object. Okay. That's pretty good right there. And then validate. Okay. And that's pretty much our coin right there. We could make it a little smoother to make it look better. And let's do that. All right. So symmetries on. Make sure it's local for what we're working on. And yeah. All right. And then let's go ahead like this. Sweet. Okay, that's not bad. And I would say round out the edges, but we want kind of these sharp edges, so that's fine. All right, we created our coin. Now let's add all this together because it's all one thing. Box will merge. All right, let's rename this. That way we keep track of it. And this is gold bar. And this is gold coin. And so we selected merge, and one thing we find is like the geometry is a little weird, right? So again, we select before we select box and merge, we can smooth things out with a smooth tool here on the curves. All right. Like that. Make sure symmetry is on before you do this. That way it's less work to go around. There we are. Edges. Edges are pretty much the same. They just need to be smoothed out a little bit. Okay. All right, sweet. That looks good enough. Let's go to Gizmo. Right. Oh, let's do this too. Smooth out the back. All right. Sweet. Okay. Leave it like this. That's fine. Then Gizmo, go to the front and then try to get this right here. Don't snap. Try to get things lined up. That's good. That's your coin. All right, there. Now let's do our UV unwrap. I guess these videos aren't gonna be 5 minutes. They're gonna be a little longer, sorry about that. Options here. Unseen faces, 119, so it might take a minute or two. So UV unwrap analysis for this. So just go to a minute. There we are. And as you can see, for our UV unwrap, this is a lot cleaner. This is kind of what we want for the other ones as well. Take the reference image off just so you can see it. See? Nice. All right. Front. Now let's paint this. Go to painting. And we're pretty much going to do the same. Maybe make a little lighter though. Roughness. Metalness like that. Then force paint. As you can see, we got a gold coin. It looks pretty nice overall. And then we just save this, export it. But again, we're not doing that. We're not doing that till the end. I just showed you an example before. All right. So then let's continue to the next video.